What was that?
Just sometimes I pinch myself because I'm like, where the hell am I? Like, oh yeah, I'm in Germany in a camper van.
Yeah. Everything you thought it would be?
Yep.
Okay, we are finally ready to leave Switzerland today. We've been staying here for the last 5 days, I think, with our friends. They were kind enough to host us. But today we're going to head to Germany and start camping again in the van. The heater was not working there for a couple of days. I don't know if it was because it was really, really cold. Yesterday I tried it out and it actually worked, so I'm hoping for the best with respect to that. But today, what we're going to do in order to get out of Visp is we're going to take the car train. And before we came to Switzerland, I had no idea what the hell a car train was. Like, I literally didn't know what it was, but apparently it's a thing. It's a train that you put your car on and it takes you through the mountains, so you don't have to drive through mountain passes. Very common over here. Apparently they have 3 in Switzerland. And so we're going to do that today just because it sounds really cool. I've never done it before. And then after that, it's pretty much just a straight shot north to the Black Forest area in Germany, which is where we're going to be stopping.
I forget how things work in here.
Or don't work.
Where do things go? What do I put here? What did I do?
I've wrapped the propane tank that was, I believe, too cold with towels. I'm not sure if that, given the fact that it warmed up the last couple days, helped the heater start working. I'm really, really hoping that it continues to work. We're going to be dropping in elevation by about 1,000 or more feet, I think, today. So I'm hoping that will help as well. And yeah, we really need our heater to function. I've been parked here for like 5 days. And I kid you not, 2 seconds ago, somebody knocked on our window, started bitching at us about being parked here, I guess. I don't know, I couldn't understand. Unbelievable. Good thing we're leaving today, though. Ugh. Come on, baby. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby. I don't know what that means. This thing has been sitting in the cold for a couple days. I did start it yesterday, but man, it's freezing up here, so I'm glad we're going to be bailing today. One thing I have noticed, one observation about Switzerland, is it's similar to Japan in that they seem to be very, very, very focused on rules and following said rules to the T. So I'm surprised we even got away with parking here for 5 days, frankly, but yeah. Time to get the hell on out of here. So the car trains in Switzerland are a real lifesaver if you're somebody who's uncomfortable with driving through mountain pass roads, or if those roads happen to be closed due to inclement weather, which actually does happen. That's why they exist. I think there's about 6 of these things throughout the entire country, and you don't need a reservation or anything like that. You pretty much just show up. It's like a first come first serve thing. You queue up basically. I think probably the closest thing I can relate it to is a ferry boat. Hoping this is the place that we can pay for the car train. If they don't take Visa, I don't know what the hell else we're gonna do. We have euros. Can I just go straight through and follow the signs? Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, car train. Yay. Looks like the camper vans are in this lane.
Yeah.
You have reached your destination.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Fuck. Am I seriously?
You're seriously have to get in here.
Am I okay?
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so fucking
Oh, weird.
dude.
Oh my god.
This is so weird. Am I doing this right?
What is happening?
Kind of reminds me of the ferry system back in Seattle, where you drive onto a boat. Yeah, this is a train, and this is really weird. This is so weird. Wow. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're here on the car train in Switzerland, and our host and friend Bruno said that the car train is a bit expensive. It's 27 euros, so I don't know, you make the call.
Shaves off like 45 minutes.
Apparently it shaves off like 45 minutes, and it's so funny, he was so like, why the fuck would you take the car train? Just drive. Why are you doing this? We're doing it because I've never even heard of a car train before we came to Switzerland.
Yeah. When Bruno said, oh, take the car train, I thought he was joking.
Yeah.
I was like, is that a joke?
Yeah,
it's a car train.
Yeah.
What is that? So it's an experience for us. It's like a fun, not so fun ride.
Yeah.
It's a fun ride.
We just started moving, and it scared the shit out of me. It scared the absolute shit out of me.
So weird.
Because I thought we were like the van was rolling into the person in front of us. Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Oh, this is bizarro.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wow, this thing is.
Oh my god, it's moving so fast.
This thing is hauling ass. I did not expect the car train to be going this fast. This is like faster than our commuter trains back in Seattle.
Oh my god, this is such a weird feeling. And I can't see anything. And then the lights they have are like red, blue, green. It's like this weird neon.
Oh, you said it's like the Willy Wonka
Yeah, it's
thing.
totally like the Willy Wonka
Way
tunnel.
of knowing
He's singing.
which direction we are going.
There is no knowing where we're rolling.
Wow.
Wow.
Just like that, we are through the car train. Holy shit. Look at that view.
Oh my god.
It's a full-blown winter wonderland. And honestly, the fact that there's so much snow on the ground, I don't know how it would have been driving over the pass, frankly. So, you can see why people use this thing, especially if the passes are closed. Obviously, you're going to use the car train. Okay, it looks like we're coming to a halt here. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Here we go.
Here we go. Wow, this is so weird. This is really weird.
After 300 feet, go straight on. Go straight on.
Car train!
Car train.
We made it through the car train, and this is the view. Is that not insane or what? Wow, unbelievable. Quite unbelievable. It's crazy too. It's like a mine car or something that goes all the way up into the mountain. Right there.
This is amazing.
Yeah,
This is so fabulous.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, we made it. We are in Germany. We're at our campsite in Germany, in Munstrel. It's Camping Munstrel is the name of the campsite, I think. And so far, the heater also seems to be doing okay. We have power, which is awesome. So I think we're set. I think we're set. We got really nosy old ladies that just can't stop spying on us for some reason.
She's doing it now.
Yeah, she's doing it right now. It's awesome. Let me see if I can get her.
See her? This one. And she sticks out her head.
So you can't see her now, but yeah, they've been watching us like a hawk ever since we got here. Anyway, I'm glad to be off the road, and that's it. We're in Germany. Yeah, a lot of old
A
people.
lot of old people here.
Yeah, good. It'll be quiet at least, right?